So you should have made your track all by yourself. Now we're going to explode the train, the assembly. You'll still have the assembly. You're just trying to show people how it looks. This is how you want it to look. So you need to go in your assembly. So this is the assembly right here, right? If you can't see it, you got to move some stuff around. And all you have to do once you click on the assembly is click that button there. You press Add View. And you click, like I want to move those two linkage pegs. I want to move them at the same time. Okay, and then I'm going to press OK. I'm going to click on the linkage arm. Move that. Press Great. Click on both of those. Move those. Probably should have left some space. I actually did. For the axles. Sometimes it'll point to the opposite direction of what you think. That's okay. Just move that. And we'll do the same thing over here. I made a mistake, and that's okay. You can just press X, do it over again. I know many students are like, I never want to do this things over again, but that happens all the time. Then we'll move the hitch peg, and then the hitch magnet. We'll move the cow catcher. And the last thing we're going to move is the stack. Okay, so that's your exploded view. And you still have the normal view, so you haven't destroyed that. The other piece that you need to do is the bill of materials. You just click that, and what you need to do is fill these in. For you, I don't think that they're on there, but I filled it in before this, and we'll use that coming up. Okay, so now we've done the explosion and the bill of materials.